this is Welcome back to my channel with a new video. Use of shall and will. Both are used for future time. We get confused how to use and where to use. Watch till end of the video to get better understanding of it. Modal verbs shall and will. We know that shall and will we use for future action. In our traditional grammar, shall goes with first person and will goes with second person and third person. Here is the representation of use of shall and will. At first we should know where to use shall and where to use will. If you know that it is very easy to use, if you understand the concept, it will be so easy for us. Let's see the sentences. I shall do this work at 7 am tomorrow. I shall go to market in the evening. We shall play a hockey match on coming Sunday. In three sentences, shall goes with first person, I will. You will come to me to go to temple. She will cook today's food. They will come soon. The train will shortly arrive. In four sentences, will goes with second person and third person. I mean, shall used with first person to show the future action. Only for the pure future action, we use shall with first person and will with second person and third person. For other purpose, we use shall and will differently. I will pay you on Monday. We will see you. I will never speak it to others. I will achieve my goal. In four sentences, will goes with first person. At first I told shall goes with first person and will goes with the second person and third person. But here it interchanges. Will goes with first person. I mean, it shows something different. It expresses something different. I will pay you on Monday means it shows one promise. We will see you. It shows your warning or threatening. I will never speak it to others. It is determination. I will achieve my goal. Determination. When will goes with first person, it expresses promise, warning or threatening and determination. But for general future, shall goes with first person. And when shall goes with the second person and third person, also the same thing, it expresses promise, threatening or determination. He shall meet you today. That means it shows determination or promise. She shall work hard to achieve goals. Determination. You shall be transferred if you don't work properly. Here it shows warning or threatening. All the cadets will attend the parade. You will deliver the welcome speech. In both the sentences, will goes with third person or second person to express instruction. I mean, to express instruction, will goes with third person and also with second person. The women will not keep mum. The girls will talk. The minister will come late. This shows general habit. When it shows general habit, will goes with only third person, not with second person and first person. Will goes with third person to express general habit. He will be in the park. He will sanction your leave. I won't go there. This shows probability. This shows probability, and when it shows probability, will goes with first person, second person or third person. You shall go to meet him tomorrow. She shall complete her work by tomorrow. When shall goes with second person or third person, it shows the idea of compulsion. That means you shall go to meeting tomorrow. That means you are instructed to go to meeting tomorrow. She shall complete her work by tomorrow. That means she has to do the work by tomorrow. You shall not meet him. Nobody shall write on the table. When shall not is used with the second person or third person, it shows prohibition. Won't you have a cup of tea? Won't you stay for a day? When won't goes with the second person in an interrogative sentence, it shows an offer. It shows an invitation. Shall Rahim wait for you? When shall goes with third person in an interrogative sentence, it expresses an idea of working as a wish for the other. Shall I thread the needle for you? When shall goes with the first person in an interrogative sentence, it shows one's willingness to do your work. Will you close the door? When will goes with you in second person, it shows one request, that is formal request.